Good morning children. Today we can do miscellaneous exercise of chapter 10 straight lines. Find the values of k for which the line k minus 3 into x minus 4 minus k square into y plus k square minus 7k plus 6 is equal to 0 is first one parallel to the x-axis, then parallel to the y-axis and passing through the origin. So, one line is given. The line is the standard form, the general form of a straight line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of a straight line. So, one equation of a straight line is given. Then we have to find the values of k if this line is parallel to x-axis. When a line is parallel to x-axis, then its slope is equal to 0. Okay? The slope of x-axis or the slope of the line parallel to x-axis is equal to 0. Then the second one is parallel to y-axis. What is the slope of y-axis or a line parallel to y-axis? Slope is not defined. So, we use these conditions. Okay. So, the first one is parallel to x-axis. So, before that write the equation. We have to reduce the equation to the form y is equal to mx plus c. Then only we get the slope. Okay. So, the given equation is k minus 3 into x minus 4 minus k square into y plus k square minus 7k plus 6 is equal to 0. This is the given equation. So, y term we can take to the other side. Okay. So, 4 minus k square into y is equal to k minus 3 into x plus k square minus 7k plus 6, or what is y? Y is equal to k minus 3 by 4 minus k square into x plus k square minus 7k plus 6 by 4 minus k square. Now, this is in the form y is equal to mx plus c. So, what is the slope of the line? Slope of the given line. Slope of the given line, notation for slope is m is equal to k minus 3 by 4 minus k square. This is the slope of the given line. Now, the first case is the line is parallel to x-axis. When a line parallel to x-axis, slope is equal to 0. Okay. So, m is equal to 0. M is equal to 0 means k minus 3 by 4 minus k square equal to 0, which implies the numerator is 0. K minus 3 is equal to 0. Now, what is the value of k? K is equal to 3. So, when k is equal to 3, look, when k is equal to 3, the first term is 0. So, a term of y plus a constant is equal to 0. So, y is equal to constant. It is a line parallel to x-axis. The same way we can do the second one. The line is parallel to the y-axis. So, when a line is parallel to y-axis, what is the condition? A line parallel to y-axis. Slope is not defined. Slope is not defined. Not defined means we can write m as infinity. Okay. M as infinity means m is this one, k minus 3 by 4 minus k square. If the denominator is 0, then only we say that it is not defined. So, that implies k minus 3 by 4 minus k square is not defined, implies 4 minus k square must be equal to 0. Then only this becomes not defined. So, So which implies k square is equal to 4. So what is the values of k? K can be plus 2 or minus 2. Plus or minus 2. Now the third one, the line is passing through the origin. The line is passing through the origin. So origin is a point on the line. The coordinates of origin means 0, 0. So we can substitute, if a point on the line, we can substitute for x and y. It should satisfy. Okay. So we can give, this is the standard equation or given equation of the line. For this x and y we can substitute 0, 0. So the third subdivision is passing through the origin. The given line passing through the origin. Passing through the origin coordinate 0, 0. So we can substitute for x and y. So what is x? K minus 3 into 0 minus 4 minus k square into 0. K minus 3 into 0 minus 4 minus k square into 0. So these two terms 0. Then we have the last term, that is one constant term, k square minus 7k plus 6. K square minus 7k plus 6 equal to right hand side is 0. So which implies k square minus 7k plus 6 is equal to 0. A quadratic equation. We can do middle term splitting, product 6, sum minus 7. So we can write k minus 1 into k minus 6, which implies k is equal to 1 or 6. Okay. The next one, find the values of theta and p if the equation x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to p is the normal form of the line root 3x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. So normal form of a line is x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to p. P is the distance, perpendicular distance from the origin to the line, and theta is the angle made by that perpendicular with x axis. So we have to find theta and p. So reduce the given equation into this form in terms of cos and sin. Then only we get the value of theta and p. So the given equation is root 3x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Here p is in the right side, p is the constant, left side only in x, y terms. So take 2 to the right hand side. Already this type of question we did in the exercise. So when we take 2 to the right hand side, it is negative, but p is the distance. Distance must be positive. So multiply throughout by negative. So minus root 3x minus y is equal to 2. Now after that step, this is in the form ax plus by plus c, or right hand side is c, in this form. The next step, do you remember? We have to find root of a square plus b square, that is square root of minus root 3 square plus minus 1 square. That is equal to root of 3 plus 1, that is root 4. Root 4 is 2, only plus 2, not minus 2. Root 4 is 2. Now divide throughout by this 2. This equation we have to divide by 2. So minus root 3 by 2x minus 1 by 2y is equal to 2 by 2. Okay. So which implies minus root 3 by 2x minus 1 by 2y is equal to 1. Now minus root 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 we have to express in terms of cos and sin. So cos theta, now you compare this with this equation. Okay. Compare, let it be equation 1. Compare equation 1 with x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to p. So cos theta is equal to minus root 3 by 2 and sin theta is equal to minus half and p is equal to 1. So what is theta value? Cos theta negative, sin theta negative. In which quadrant? Cos and sin negative in third quadrant. Third quadrant value is pi plus theta. Second quadrant pi minus theta. Here theta acute angle. Fourth quadrant we calculate as 2 pi minus theta. Okay. So cos and sin negative in third quadrant. So third quadrant value pi plus theta or 180 plus theta. What is the theta value? Theta value means root 3 by 2. Cos value is, neglect this sign, negative sign. Cos theta is root 3 by 2 at which angle? Sin theta is 1 by 2 at which angle? That is pi by 6, 30 degree. So pi plus pi by 6, or that is 6 pi plus pi, 7 pi by 6. Okay. Or you can write as 7 into 30, that is 210 degree. That is theta and p is equal to 1. Okay. Third one, find perpendicular distance from the origin of the line joining points cos theta sin theta and cos phi sin phi. So we have to find perpendicular distance from the origin to the line. What is the line? The line through two given points. Line's equation is not given. Line passing through 2 points. So we can write the equation of the line using 2.4. So equation of the line through the points are cos theta sin theta and cos phi sin phi. These are the two given points. So how we write the equation of the line? 2-point form is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So y minus y1 is sin theta. Sin theta is equal to y2 minus y1 sin phi minus sin theta by cos phi minus cos theta into x minus cos theta. Now this equation is not in the general form. General form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So we have to simplify this equation. Before that we can simplify that. Sin phi minus sin theta. Sin x minus sin y is 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. Then by cos phi minus cos theta, that is cos x minus cos y form. That is minus 2 sin phi plus theta by 2 x plus y by 2 into sin phi minus theta by 2. So these two are same, we can cancel, 2 and 2 cancel. So here x minus cos theta. Now cross multiply. So y minus sin theta into negative we can keep in the right hand side itself, sin theta, I am writing theta first, theta plus phi by 2 is equal to minus of cos theta plus phi by 2 whole by 2 into x minus cos theta. Now again open the bracket. So y into, okay, so the coefficient is sin theta plus phi by 2 into y minus sin theta into sin theta plus phi by 2. Here minus cos theta plus phi by 2 into x plus cos theta into cos theta plus phi whole by 2. Now the equation is ax. So x term take to the left side. So cos theta plus phi by 2 into x. So ax plus by sin theta plus phi by 2y. So ax plus by plus c. What is c? Take these. So when we take cos theta to the left side, it becomes negative. So here this term also negative we can take out, then bracket cos theta plus phi the whole by 2, then plus sin theta and sin theta plus phi by 2, which is equal to 0. Okay. Now this is of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Again this bracket is in the form cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. That is same as cos x minus y. So the next step, cos theta plus phi the whole by 2 into x plus sin theta plus phi by 2y minus of cos x minus y. In the place of x we have theta minus theta plus phi by 2. Okay, this in the bracket, then again bracket equal to 0. Or you can write theta plus phi by 2 first, then minus theta. Anyway, cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. So that won't affect the equation. Now again we can simplify that. So cos theta plus phi by 2x plus sin theta plus phi by 2y minus cos theta into 2 is 2 theta. 2 theta minus theta is theta, then minus phi by 2. Okay. Now this equation in which form? X plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Now we have to find the perpendicular distance from the origin to this line. So the perpendicular distance from origin means 0 0 to this line is, how to find the distance, perpendicular distance from a point to the line. The formula is modulus a. Instead of x we have to give the point for y also, then plus c or minus c whatever sign by root of a square plus b square. This is the formula. So here this is the line. There you have to substitute x as 0, y as 0. So modulus cos theta plus phi by 2 into 0. So that is 0. Then sin theta plus phi by 2 into 0. That is also 0. Then minus cos minus phi by 2. Okay. By root of a square plus b square. What is a square? A means the coefficient of x, its square, that is cos square. Coefficient of y is sin theta plus phi by 2 whole square, that is same as sin square. The angle is same, cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So same way this value is also 1 and these two are 0. So what we get? Minus of cos by 1. Or we can write, we can neglect this minus sign. Modulus means you will get positive value, or we can write as theta minus phi by 2. Modulus you have to put because we don't know the values of theta and phi. Okay. Fourth one, find the equation of the line parallel to y-axis and drawn through the point of intersection of the lines. Find the equation of a line parallel to y-axis. How we write equation of a line parallel to y-axis? Parallel to y-axis means horizontal lines. Its equation is parallel to y-axis means it is a vertical line. Its equation is x is equal to constant. Horizontal line equation is y is equal to constant. So here we have to write the equation of the line parallel to y-axis, then through which point? Through the intersection of these two lines. So first we can find the intersection. What is the intersection of the line, the given lines? So x minus 7y plus 5 is equal to 0. That is the first equation. And 3x plus y is equal to 0. That is the second equation. Okay. Or the first equation we can write as x minus 7y is equal to minus 5. The second equation 3x plus y is equal to 0. We can use elimination or substitution. If we use elimination, the second one, multiplying second one by 7. So 21x plus 7y is equal to 0. And the first equation is x minus 7y is minus 5. Then when we add, 22x is equal to minus 5 or x is equal to minus 5 by 22. Then what is y? When we substitute in second equation, y is equal to minus 3x. So which implies y is equal to minus 3 into minus 5 by 22. So 3 into 5 is 15, 15 by 22. So the point of intersection of the given lines. Point of intersection of the given lines is ordered pair minus 5 by 22 and 15 by 22. This is the point of intersection. Now what is the question? Through this point. So suppose the line is like this. This is the point of intersection. 22 and here it is 15 by 22. So y-axis, x-axis. Suppose this point is 1, 2. Through this point I can draw infinitely many lines. Okay. So what is the equation of line parallel to y-axis? I can draw a line parallel to y-axis like this and also parallel to x-axis. So only one line through this point parallel to y-axis, only one line through this point parallel to x-axis. Then we can draw infinitely many lines. Then what is the equation of this line? It is parallel to y-axis. It is in the form x is equal to constant. What is the constant? This 1. X is equal to 1 is the equation of this vertical line. And horizontal line, this equation, that is y is equal to constant. What is the y value? 2. So the same way, here the two lines intersect at this particular point. What is the equation of a line parallel to y-axis? Parallel to y-axis, so we can draw like this. It's a rough figure only. Parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis, always the equation is in the form x is equal to a constant. So what is the constant here? This value, this ordered pair first value. So what is the equation? Therefore, equation of the line parallel to y-axis through the point of intersection. Through the point of intersection is x is equal to constant. What is the constant value? Minus 5 by 22. If the question is what is the equation of line parallel to x-axis, then you have to write y is equal to constant, that is y is equal to 15 by 22. The next one, Find the equation of the line drawn perpendicular to the line through the point where it meets the y-axis. So, x by 4 plus y by 6 is equal to 1, that is in the intercept form, x by a plus y by b equal to 1. So, we can draw the line like this, isn't it? This is the equation, this is the graph of this given line. And this denominator, that is a means x-intercept. So, this much length is x-intercept, or I can write the coordinates of a as 4, 0 and b, O to b, that distance is 6, or the point b is 0, 6. Then what is the question? Find the equation of the line drawn perpendicular to this line. So, this is the line. What is the equation of line perpendicular to this and through the point where it meets the y-axis? So, this line where it meets the y-axis at the point 0, 6. Now, we have to find the equation of another line. So, I am drawing just one line perpendicular to this line and through the point B. Okay, like this. So, this line, let the line L, that line L is perpendicular to the line AB, okay, and through which point? 0, 6. So, point is there. We need what else? We need slope also, then we can apply point slope form. Okay, how we get the slope? The line L and the line AB are perpendiculars. If two lines are perpendicular, the product of their slopes is equal to -1. So, we can apply that result. So, before that, the given line is not in the general form. So, we can reduce to the general form, then find the slope. Cross multiply 6x plus 4y by 24 is equal to 1, or 6x plus 4y is equal to 24, okay, or 4y. So, this is the equation of the given line. Now, for finding the slope, we have to reduce to y equal to mx plus c. So, 4y is minus 6x plus 24. Or what is y? Minus 6 by 4x plus 24 by 4. So, this in the form y is equal to mx plus c. So, what is the slope? So, m is equal to minus 6 by 4, or m is equal to minus 3 by 2. That is slope of AB. Okay, slope of AB. Then AB is perpendicular to L. Therefore, minus 3 by 2 into slope of L is equal to -1. Slope of L, m1 into m2 is equal to -1. So, what is slope of L? Slope of L is equal to minus minus cancel, it is 2 by 3. So, 2 by 3 is the slope of the line L, which is perpendicular to AB, and the line L is passing through 0, 6. So, we can write the equation. Hence, the equation of the line L having slope 2 by 3, and through the point 0, 6 is y minus y0, point slope form, m into x minus x0, or how we write that? Y minus, the point is 0, 6, slope is 2 by 3, x minus 0, or 3y minus 18 is equal to 2x, or I can write as 2x minus 3y plus 18 is equal to 0. That is the equation of the required line. Now, Find the area of the triangle formed by the lines y minus x 0 and x plus y equal to 0 and x minus k is equal to 0. So, first we have to draw y minus x is equal to 0. So, y minus x 0 means y is equal to x. Okay. So, when we draw the table for drawing the graph, when x is 1, y is 1, x is 2, y 2, 0, 0, minus 1, minus 2, like that. So, it is the line through the origin. Okay. When x and y are positive in the first quadrant, then when x take negative, y also negative. Negative and negative, x and y negative in the third quadrant. So, the line through the origin in first quadrant and third quadrant. Okay. Now, the second line, x plus y is equal to 0. That is, x is equal to minus y. That is the meaning. So, just opposite. So, when x is 1, y is minus 1, x is 2, y is minus 2, 0, 0, then negative, negative 1. When x is negative 1, y is 1, negative 2, 2. So, x positive, y negative in fourth quadrant and x negative, y positive in second quadrant. So, the line through the origin in second and fourth quadrant. Now, the third line is x minus k equal to 0. X minus k 0 means what is x? X is equal to k. X is equal to k means it is a vertical line or parallel to y axis. Okay. So, k we do not know whether it is positive or negative. So, just draw a line as taking as a k positive. So, this is the vertical line. Now, we have to find the area of the triangle. Can you see a triangle here? OAB. We have to find the area of that triangle. Okay, this shaded region we have to find. Area of triangle, how to find the area of triangle? Can we get the coordinates of A, O and B? O is the origin, its coordinate 0, 0. How we get A? A is the intersection of the line y minus x and x is equal to k. Okay. So, for finding A, how to find A? Look here, y minus x is equal to 0 and x is equal to k. These two lines intersect at A. So, solving the equation, put x is equal to k here. So, y minus k 0 or y is equal to k. So, the coordinates k comma k, that is A. Both are positive. Now, how we get B? B is the intersection of which all lines? B is the intersection of x plus y is equal to 0 and x is equal to k. So, put x is equal to k here, k plus y is equal to 0 or y is equal to minus k. So, our point is k minus k, that is B, k minus k. Okay. Now, we can find the area using which formula? Area of triangle AOB is equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, this formula we can apply. So, that is equal to half into x1. We can start from A. So, k into what is y2 minus y3? 0 minus k. Then plus x2. x2 is 0. So, the complete term is 0. Now, x3 is plus k, y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2, that is k minus 0. So, that is half into k square plus 0 plus k square. That is half into 2k square. 2 and 2 cancel. So, k square square unit, that is the area of the triangle.